everyone, this video is for guide you how to install the ShineLab software and use it. When you receive the instrument already connected the pipeline and the cable to the PC, and next step is install the software. You need to find out the dongle and U-disk. When you insert your U-disk, and then you can open a file like this in the desktop, and we need to open it. First, we need to install the driver for USB to RS-232, and then it's the ShineLab software. We can see the third one. We open it. The first one is the driver for the data cable. We open it, and the last one, the third one, double click, open it, install it. Okay, if you don't install the driver and even you connected the cable to your instrument and the computer, but the software will not recognize your instrument, you cannot configuration successful. So it's important. The second is to install ShineLab software, the workstation. Second, install. And this is show you the version 2.3. It's the intelligent, especially some consumable like the column and the suppressor have the chip. It can check the maintenance. Okay, I will install it. Double click. Next, next, next. Okay, there has a window come out. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Print Y and enter. Press any key to continue. Press enter. Just waiting for it close. The second time also we can print Y, enter, continue. Yes, finish. And then we can find out the package on the dongle. There has a password we can print. Okay. Right here we can print the account admin. The big word or the little will be okay. Admin. And the password right now is 1 2 3 4 5 6. And when you get in, and you can change the password. Okay, login.